I want to talk about rideshare. Everybody is using rideshare. Uber and Lyft are extremely popular. What happens if you're a passenger and you're involved in a collision? Let's say you're riding in an Uber or Lyft and your driver is negligent, causes a collision, and you've suffered an injury. Most large rideshare companies like Uber and Lyft are going to have a $1 million liability insurance policy to cover any of your injuries. So what happens if you're riding in an Uber or Lyft and another driver is negligent and causes a collision? Uber and Lyft are going to protect you. They're going to have some underinsured motorist coverage, although in the past few years, the amount of underinsured motorist coverage Uber and Lyft are required to have has been dropped under the law dramatically. One thing that you can do to protect yourself across the board is have the most underinsured motorist coverage under your personal automobile insurance that you can afford. And in Georgia, the minimum bodily injury coverage is $25,000, so that's not a lot of insurance. Parents, if you have a college-age kid that's living in another state and their primary mode of transportation is rideshare, Uber and Lyft, it is important that you still maintain some automobile insurance covering them and that you have as much underinsured motorist coverage as you can afford, because that part of the policy will always cover you as a passenger in a rideshare.